model, 2017 Peugeot Boxer pickup flatbed dropside 89K gearbox repair VAT inclusive. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 89,016. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Van running and driving good with no lights on the dash, but gearbox has issues, pops out of first, no second gear, crunches into fourth, gearbox needs repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area